What's up, Ewu crew? Today we're heading down this long road right here. We're right next to Area 51. I mean, literally, Area 51 is right over in that direction. Over there. Anyways, let me show you on Google Earth real quick what we're gonna go check out today. You can see there looks like to be a few buildings left, and looks to be some stuff to explore out here. And it'll be interesting to see if this is one of the ranches that Area 51 has taken over and took their ranches. That happens a lot out here. A lot of private land has been taken over by the Department of Defense. So let's head out there and see if we can get on the property and see what's left. It looks pretty old and it looks abandoned, see that? So we're gonna go check that out. I believe this place was abandoned due to because the range, the Nellis Air Force Range test range is right over these hills, like literally. Not even over this, it's before those mountains. Supposedly this was closed down. They had to abandon it due to the radiation levels. So we have our Geiger counter out and we're gonna go ahead and check the levels of radiation. Let's check these buildings out real quick. Let's see. Sounds like a chicken coop in there. Let's check out this place first. This is interesting, the old porch. That's kind of cool. I can imagine the owner sitting out here and hanging out. This would have been their view. And right up the road there, I don't think you can see, but up the road, right about there, I would say, behind those cows, there's a military base entrance. So let's go check out this place first. Oh wow, the ceiling is really coming down, huh? Got a little graffiti here. See, graffiti from 1987 from Curtis. Now watch out for nails for sure in there. Little closet back there. And then look at, see the nails. And those are part of the dangers of coming in places like this. Let's go check out this other room real quick. Wind is pretty bad out today. Let's go check out what it looks like inside. What year do you guys think this would have been built? At the old stone walls. Those are always pretty cool. Usually when you find these buildings, you don't usually find them in this good a shape. Usually, look at, there's an old railroad right up there in the middle of the roof. You see that? Old railroad track is used in the middle of this building. And that part is coming down. Almost makes you want to take a little tunnel behind here or something. Look at that. Oh, that thing is bad. Look at that. It broke that piece of wood right there. Let's check out that building right there, you guys. Look at this building right here. Look at these wires, guys. What do you think these wires would have been for? See the wires running across? This is a pretty cool find, because usually when you find these places, they don't have the roof or anything like this still left. You can see how the construction was. They use a straight up log in the middle, and then they put logs on the top, and it looks like some sheet metal between them. Pretty cool. Look at this door. All right, let's go check out that last building. So we're monitoring the radiation level. So far we haven't seen any abnormal radiation levels. 45. That's actually higher than what we've seen in other places, so I have to take that back. It's at 45, and I bet you if we put it on the ground, it might even register higher. So we'll put it on the ground in a second. Let's just see if there's anything in this building. These cows are talking to you guys. They said, Ewu crew! Ewu crew! That's what they're saying. Uh-oh. We got an old stove here, and like a heater. Over there we got like an old mattress. Pretty bad shape. But look at the roof. That is pretty cool. The roof looks pretty nice. Check out this old roof. I guess we get a good view right here. Oh, this floor. Like someone was... There's some charcoal left in there. There's definitely some rodents in here though. Try to walk across this very carefully because man, it is soft. Check this out, in the middle of nowhere, we found this. It's a Honda Inverter 3000 IS Honda generator. I think it's probably worth bank. It's got the keys in it. And look at this. What is this thing? Anybody know what this is? Got an inflating system on it right here. Some kind of tent or something right here. Anybody know what this is? It's pretty random, but it definitely looks military. I know these generators are expensive, which is really weird because if you look around, there's absolutely nothing out here. Okay, close it up. Right here, look, you can tell there's spider webs on here, so it's been here a while. Alright, Ibuku, check it out, guys. So it says authorized personnel, hard hat, and men working. We're way out in the middle of nowhere here. It's the Five Joker Mining LLC. So we have no idea what we're gonna find up in this road. So let's go. What's up, Ibuku? So we have to let the car cool off. Obviously, this Armada has some troubles with the heat. It's only about 100 degrees out, man, but every time we start climbing an elevation. But check out this place we found. Like an old mining operation right here. Got a conveyor belt. Wonder how long it's been in. Wonder how long since it's been in operation. I'd like to get into this little truck here, but it's locked down tight. So what we want to do, I think we're gonna head up this road and see if there's anything up this road after the car cools off, and then we're gonna come down and see what's up these roads here, where it's closed off. Check it out, guys. There's like a little pond over there. We'll go down and check that out next. See, we're way out here in the middle of nowhere. We tried to go that road there, but we saw a vehicle. But look at this. This little pond has a bunch of koi in it. I have to say, I did not expect this at all. Look at this old machinery. I didn't expect to see all these fish in here. You guys, I don't know if you can see them if they're coming through on the camera. This thing is loaded with goldfish or koi, or not really sure what type of fish they are. Never would have expected that way out here. Oh, we got those abandoned buildings to go check out. Let's go. You don't normally come across too many mills like this size in this good a shape. 97. What's this like? Oh, look at this. This is a really old generator. Check out the old roll wheels up there for like the belts and conveyor belts. Wow. I don't know if these stairs are gonna hold me. So, here we go. Oh man, these stairs are not very strong. It's a long way to fall. Wow, look at this. Oh yeah, guys, there's two of us, just so you know. Like always, there's two of us here. There's an old chain. This is like an old operation. Check it out. Old, old, old. My favorite word, you guys know that. Okay, more dangerous stairs. Oh, there's a door up here, guys. Surprised those stairs held me, honestly. I hear it cracking. Let me make this as quick as possible. Wow, look at the door. Look at this old. Oh man, it's just about the end of the line. These boards are dangerous. There's no way. Look at that, it's totally rotted, guys. That is so rotted. Check out these stairs. These stairs are bad, guys. Bad, real bad. So, all the gauges and stuff are over here. There's the old engine. And check out what we got to see today. We got this building over here. We got like an old tractor and some buildings over there. Let's go check out this building first, guys. Oh, look at that. I heard something like a lizard. Oh, there's a lizard on the wall. Yep. And there's another big old lizard right there. This would have been like the workshop, it looks like. Got a whole fan belt down here on the ground. Oh, there goes a mouse. He doesn't know where to go. It looked pretty awesome. Pretty old for sure. Remember, guys, don't forget to check out my merchandise store. Check out my shirts and stuff. I don't know what we're gonna find in this place. I don't know. What the heck? Okay. Looks like maybe someone's dumped some stuff in here. Whoa, there goes a rabbit. Oh, he scared me. Any more under there? Alright, look at this place. It's jacked. We got an old mattress here. Maybe we'll go through that third door over there. Can't get in through here. Well, we got doors on all sides. Let's try another door. Check out that. You can still see the wood. Look at there's straw up there. This reminds me of like an old western town like you'd see in the movies. An old western ranch. Come on, let's go in this room. Gotta watch out for... This reminds me of like an old, like, those types of buildings you would find in like a movie, an old western movie. We got like a, this floor is soft, guys. Hope I don't fall through. We got a couple mattresses in here. This barrel. Look at some animals have been going through this stuff. What year do you guys think this was built? Look at this. I literally feel like I'm in a western movie right now. I love you, Sue. More mattresses and stuff in here. And I'm gonna go check into the other door. See what's in these cans over here, guys. That's the door to the other room right there. Remember, we got killer bees out here, guys, so always got to be aware of that. Nothing in that can. Here's an old Coca-Cola tray. So we got this old tractor, guys. This is pretty cool. They wanted it quiet. They put a muffler up top. Pretty awesome. These tires. Now over here it looks like this would have been the corral where they probably would have kept the horses. Yeah, check that out. That's pretty cool. Another one of these stone wall buildings. What do you guys think this one was for right here? I mean, look at that wall right there, like it was like maybe it had food for some animals or something right here.